Morning everyone, it's like we haven't left. Today we're going to be on with the wiring, so I'm going to leave all this on the front. It needs a good clean, it's actually grafted, I was putting it all white there. But anyway, yeah, we're going to leave everything in here for now because I'm waiting on the brake booster and other things before I can box things off and finish things in there. So I might fall on this later and make the brackets to bracket that up anyway, and then put the and bits in, yeah, we'll sort that. Yeah, I'm going to start from the back, going to go into the boot, wire the rain light into the existing wiring for the reverse wedge plate lights. I left the wires in for them specifically so I can run feeds back for the switch, you know, for the rain light, for the time attack, the CarTech rain light. So we'll wire that in first and then work our way forward, stripping the loom down, get all the loom done behind the dash, all boxed off, you know, and tied away nicely. And then I'm going to bolt the Accusump to the firewall, put a little protective case around it, but I'll show you that when I'm doing that, that'll be later on. So yeah, let's get into it straight away. Speak to you soon. I've not done loads of time lapses today, but we've had loads of deliveries. We've had, I'll show you tomorrow, but we've got some, I'll show you now anyway. So, brake booster arrived. I'll show you that. The bonnet pins arrived as well. So we've got these, bloody hell. We've got these Greyston, is it? Greyston, like bonnet pins, quick release things. I've got aero catches going on the bonnet, but for the boot, it doesn't need to be aerodynamic, not really. But anyway, I got these, and then realised the nuts that go in the body, them ones there, you see, they're M8, so that's a fail straight away. So I have to drill them out, but it's not a big deal, I'll drill them out, tap them. I'll show you these. I've got a couple of cheaper vents, so they're irrelevant what they look like because I'm making them out of carbon. I'm just using them as a template. So they're going to go, I'll take you around here and show you. They're going to go in the bonnet, in the carbon bonnet, in carbon. But obviously we've got the scoop going on. The scoop does nothing for heat. I'm going to drill some holes in the back of the scoop so it acts like a venturi, so obviously the faster moving low pressure air will be going, it'll actually go through the scoop, so it will be fast moving air rather than slow moving air, you know, from the scoop going, catching the air and taking it into the bonnet. So then in theory, well not in theory, the high pressure, like stale air, what's it called, like non-moving air under the bonnet will come into the path. Obviously high pressure goes where low pressure is, so it'll be taken out and over the car. But to aid that as well, we also need these, they're just going to go, I haven't decided exactly yet, maybe that way, let me see, but they're just going to go in the bonnet either side, and then I'm going to have another big one there, a big one like that, just to aid to get some heat out of there. But yeah, they were just like literally 12 quid, 15 quid, whatever they are, maybe even 20 quid, but just off eBay. So yeah, that's for that. You will see on the time lapse, maybe you might not see me doing any soldering, but I wired up the rain light. Do you know the rain light on the bottom of the? You can see that on there. The rain light. This the GoPro's on tripod, so I can't really get it in anywhere. I'm probably better off taking it off, but yeah, I've completely gutted the loom. That's what I've been all day on, really. I'll go get the light and I'll show you. So look at that. All that, I've stripped all that off, like airbag wiring, etc., stuff that we don't need. But it's been really time consuming, as you can imagine. Going through, working out what wires are for what, and then cutting them off and deleting all the alarm system as well. That was a bit of a pain, but alarm system off and all the airbag system, I'm sure we don't need. So took all that off. Took all look at all the. I'll weigh it, so you know. But there's a good few kilos there from the weight that we weighed the other day. You know, when we weighed the car. So it looks like a bit of an headache in there, but we're getting somewhere now. The other thing that turned up, brake booster, the smaller brake booster, I don't know what it's off, but I think it's off a Classic. That one there, look. So brake booster's in. To trim a bit more of this bar off, so we'll clean this up, put some caps on it maybe, or we'll sort some out, but master cylinder's in nicely, brake booster's in. We'll put the brace back on to replace what this bar was doing. I can plumb the brakes up now. Brakes, they'll be sorted. Kind of run out of time today because it's getting on now. It's about 6:30, so I want to go home and get some tea. But we also got the Accusump fitted, so I'll take you off the tripod and show you up here. 1 minute. It's plugged in as well. There we go. So yeah, Accusump in, absolutely solid to the bulkhead, plumbed in as well. I think we're just going to nicely tie that to the. We've got some P clips coming, some stainless P clips. I'll just put that nicely to there. But yeah, nice and accessible for the lever there. We've got a nice little frame that's going to go around that. Do you know, like to meet regs? Do you know? Can't remember what you call it, like a firewall going around that. ECU's got to get mounted. That's going to go a little bit higher, get mounted up there, and then the loom's just about there now. We've got a little bit more to take off that side, and then we're done. And then that's wrapped in. I'll show you. We've got some of that. Is it Tessa? Tessa? Yeah, Tessa fabric loom tape. So that's going around the loom. Might not have enough there, but we'll see. I've got the stuff packaged up to send off to, I said S12 Fabrications yesterday, I don't know where I got that from, but 1012 Fabrications, Ben. That's going, I'm going to drop that off at Morrison's now at the post-it locker things. So hopefully he'll turn that round and get them sent back. And yeah, that's where we're at really with it. So tomorrow it'll be finishing off, wrapping up all the loom, clamping it down, clipping it, you know, where we need to, and then we might have some more deliveries of. I've got a surprise delivery from one of my friends that I race with. He's very kindly given us quite a special part, but I won't spoil it. I'll wait till they turn up and then I'll reveal what they are. But yeah, epic bit of kit. Yeah, that's it really. I won't ramble on, but yeah, tune in tomorrow and we'll do a bit more. Take it easy.